but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still, 'cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right.
guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed all the footage that we've captured throughout Matsuri. I had a heap of fun throwing it together. We were having heaps of laughs post watching it all back. But I can't wait till we start getting the cars back out and pulling out the forklift and getting all the cars out. Who knows, we might even cut some rear ends off for the next event. You'll just have to find out in the videos to come. Like I said on our Facebook and Instagram today, we hit 2,000 subscribers. And to thank you guys for being so loyal to us, we wanted to do a giveaway. We have 3 giveaways coming up, and they essentially are going to be some shirts, stickers, special stickers. We're going to make up some 2,000 sub stickers that we will give away, and then post that. You'll be able to purchase them on our store. We are working on a website to make it easier for you guys to buy stuff online, so make sure you watch out for that. But how you're going to win this giveaway is essentially commenting below the reasons why you should win the giveaway, and we will go through, we'll read every single comment, and then we'll pick the winners and we'll announce them in 2 weeks time. That's right, 2 weeks time, so don't forget that. Anyway guys, that's a wrap from me. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you on Thursday.